30 Years of Monty Python. Premiere 1999. Parrot sketch not included 20 Years of Monty Python. Monty Python's personal best. Premiere 2006. More Monty Python's personal best. 76 of 174. The best miniseries in TV history. 33 of 38. The best British TV comedies on Netflix. Monty Python live at Aspen. Premiere 1998. Fawlty Towers. Premiere 1975. More Fawlty Towers. 67 of 305. The greatest sitcoms in television history. 97 of 538 TV shows cancelled before their time. 124 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. At last, the 1948 show. Premiered 1967. More At last, the 1948 show. 290 of 474. The funniest TV shows of all time. 15 of 136. The best sketch comedy groups.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then.